Hey guys, it's Saidur here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make YouTube distraction free. What I mean by distraction free. On YouTube, sometimes you go to find a specific information, but as soon as you land on YouTube homepage, you see all the recommendation that's based on your past research, and you can't control yourself and start watching one of those videos, and that video lead to another video, and before long you completely forget about why you were in YouTube. So these distractions, and also on the sidebar you can basically hide it and make YouTube just basically a video search engine. Once you go to YouTube, you just look for the information that you need and you make it useful. So if you are finding yourself easily getting distracted on YouTube, getting distracted by recommended videos, one extension that I'm going to show you, it's going to save you a lot of time. It's called DFTube. I'm going to put the link on the description, and also let me show you how it really works. So you can see that's my YouTube right now, and I'm going to install the DFTube distraction free YouTube extension. Add to Chrome, add extension. Then you can also check the options. For example, hide feed. You can hide the feed, hide recommendation, hide trending tab. Sometimes you might go to youtube.com and see what's trending on your location. That might distract you. So there are some other options. So these are, if you find yourself like reading comments when you don't need to read, you can also hide comments. So that's, now let's go to my YouTube and reload. You can see there is nothing in there, no video on the homepage. Also, no trending tab. Here's what I can do now. Let's say I need some specific information, how to solve a specific problem. I can just go right in and just find that information, and then as soon as I am done, I can get out of the YouTube without actually getting distracted. Let's say I open this video. On the right side, you don't see any recommendation. Sometimes even we are watching one video, but 10 other videos on the side that try to take our attention, and then we jump from videos to videos. That's how actually you can make YouTube distraction free. And on the description, you can find the link. And also I want you to think about the cost of distraction. If you are getting distracted, you probably aren't able to make enough progress on your top priorities. And that time could be used to get some productive things done. This tool might be very simple, but it can save time. It can like literally help you eliminate one source of distraction and utilize that time on something important. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on another video. Thanks.